the choices that you make. It's not just a reflection on who you are as a person, it's a reflection on everything that you love. So let's make sure to represent the positives. Cat, yeah. Any fans of dubstep out there? All right, this is the dubstep beatbox. And so I came at it with some scratches. I'm like, let's go, man. And all of a sudden, people are gathering around us, and people are starting to pay money. And I realized this is literally the coolest moment of my entire life. And I almost missed it. Because I got this little voice in my head that's like, Josh, don't go out there. It's your first time. You're not very good. Like, people are going to laugh. They're going to make fun of you. You're just going to fail. Don't even try. Do you know what I learned from this experience? Is that you don't have to be great to do great things. A lot of times you just got to get outside. Yes, I mean, get outside of your house, put down the technology and try new things. But I also mean, get outside of that little voice in your head, because we all got it, don't we? Everyone's got this little voice that's like, hey, you're not good enough. You're not smart enough. Don't try so hard because you're going to fail anyway. We listen to these voices all the time in our lives. And my advice to you is, what do you have to lose? Because when we listen to those voices and we put ourselves down and we don't even try, that's when we fail. Very appropriate, since we are cougars at this school, you get to be a cougar. Go ahead, throw that on. That works. Can you give us like a little like, watch out, she's ferocious. There you go, Nick, throw that on. Let's see it. Hang on. Actually, let's try this. There we go. All right. And DJ, I'm in on your little secret, bro. I know that you're like used to being a cougar and stuff, so I've got something special for you. And you want to take a peek? Here we go. You ready? Yes. Go ahead and throw that on. Let's get it up for our mascots right now. Let's see it. Give him a round of applause. Wait, is he just the happiest Hulk you've ever seen? He's like, Hulk smash! Okay, let's try Superman. Why me? You guys have one time today? Awesome. If you had a fun time today, we need to give a huge round of applause to everyone who made this happen. So thank you very much for bringing me out and making this happen. Let's give everyone an applause. Thank you very much for everything. I appreciate this. And one last thing. You guys, I only get a second with you. I get like an hour, then we have to move on. Let me just say one last thing. This is the most important thing that I know. When you find your because, that gives you purpose. That gives you direction. So work really hard to find out why you are here, what you're meant to do. I know that everyone at least has one purpose, one destiny. When you find it, you become unstoppable. You guys are great. Let's close this out. Are you ready? Yes. Yes. Thanks again, guys. You are amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Have fun.